Last week on Coronet 777.
I only managed to find 2 mystery cars. That's it. I asked almost every vendor who was selling Hot Wheels. I managed to find an 07 and an 08 mystery car. So I'll do a separate video on those. Sort of as just a real quick unboxing. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today, we are gonna crack open these 2 mystery cars that I got from the Lehigh Valley Diecast RC slot car whatever show. Essentially, just a show with a bunch of toy cars. I had asked around, I only found 2. One is in 2007, and so it has the fact. Did you know that many Hot Wheels collectors do not open their packages because cars saved in their packages can be worth much more than out of package? That's true, but for these, we're going to open them. And then we've got a 2008 variant. Note, it says 2008 up there instead of 07. That's how I tell these apart. 09 has a different package altogether. And yeah, 08s have nothing back there, but yeah, this package is kind of disgusting, so whatever. So let's crack open the 07 and see what we get. I hope it's not a repeat. I'll be upset, but it is what it is. Okay, oops. I don't remember this color. Oh, okay. Yo, we actually got something cool. Nice. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. This is a great casting. Awesome find. Yeah, look at that. Plymouth Barracuda. So good. It's got the shaker hood. Oh man, what a find. Good. Excellent pull. Sweet. All right, this is going to go through the wind tunnel. I haven't sent many non-aerodynamic muscle cars through there, so yeah, check that out. Not bad. All right, this is going to be a pretty quick video because I only have 2. Let's move on to the 08. So, in all honesty, when I bought this, the package was like flopping open from the bottom. I did not look at it, but I came home and I glued it up. So, if the glue looks a little weird, that's why. So, let's try this 2008. Okay, something else that I don't have. Man, this thing got absolutely hammered. Look at the roof. So, I think this is like modeled after a 1949 or a 50 Ford because it's got the bullet nose. I think it's just called Shoebox though. Yep, it's just called Shoebox. You can just see it there. They were really going crazy with flames. Not too bad. Yeah, I don't know. I like this. It's cool enough. We'll send it through the wind tunnel. Someone is actually looking for like a lead sled to go through the wind tunnel. This is pretty close. So let's see what this sort of, 1950 Ford does in the wind tunnel. Not bad. All right, y'all. That's really it. Sorry, it's a quick video, but I'll have to order more of these mystery cars. I'm pleasantly surprised. These were 2 good cars, and man, that CUDA is pretty sick. So again, thanks for watching. If you'd like this video or you want more 07, 08, 09 mystery car unboxings, let me know in the comments. Have a great night.